Dr. Amanwa Director ke DCSMI Ulaong ba ke Jingsaphriang ke Jingpang COVID khat khandai kanum suki no Tang Shu Sdang ke lockdown hadin katu kat ngisngi namar ka bapau menta kide ki bala don na du kisngi baladep shwa ka lockdown Ulaong bada ke jing trei lang baro kini ke jing kin sakham jai jai bat ulai thoru ba ke civil hospital kadang biang ki oxygen bat dei ban khuslai
the benefits or the effects of the lockdown we will not see immediately. This lockdown we have done now to contain the spread now. But what has already happened is showing up now because of what happened in the past 2-3 weeks. It's showing now. With this lockdown, we are very confident that by next week cases will come down. And one more time, I will say that these things are not possible with human effort alone. It is with God's grace, and we believe. This is a place where we believe. We have a very strong belief. Each and every household in their own faiths are putting their prayers, are offering their prayers in their own faiths. And with that, we are very confident that God will be with us always. See, the situation in the entire state, now we are having cases across the state after a lull. And the situation, as we have already told, is grim. And to overturn this situation, our health workers are going full swing 24/7 and unnecessarily don't tire them. This will pass. It will pass with your help and with our help. Together, we can make it and we will sail through. As of now, as I've already said, the situation is not good. And once we say that from our side, we mean that it is not good. And to stay inside your house, your homes, where it is the safest place. If you come out, you spread, you will be spreading not only to your neighbors, but inside your own house. It will depend from case to case. When you have a mild symptomatic with other diseases, you have to treat the other diseases, so that particular case will have to be there. So as far as possible, asymptomatic, mild asymptomatic, or symptomatics which do not have any other comorbidities, we are encouraging them for home treatment, or if not, that is not available, then we have made facilities in the Corona Care Center.